Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Today I wanted to talk about false breakouts and false breakdowns. Let's take a look at what I'm talking about. We have a 1-minute candlestick chart for Home Depot stock, and the examples today will all be 1-minute candlestick charts, which day traders often use, but the principles I'll be talking about in this video can also apply for swing traders, for example, with a daily candlestick chart. Okay, so we can see on the 1-minute candlestick chart, the price of Home Depot stock went up to a particular level here, and then it bounced off of it, bounced down off of it. So it's starting to form a resistance level here, and then it comes back up to it, and it can't get past it. So now it's an even stronger resistance level, and it breaks above it. So some chart people would say, well, it broke above it, and so therefore it's going to go up. They would call that a breakout. But you have to be patient. You want confirmation. Make sure it really is a breakout, because the market will give you head fakes. This is a perfect example of a head fake. Look at that. Classic head fake, came above, and then look at that red candle. Definitely not a breakout. It's a breakdown. And when you see a candle that size, what more confirmation do you need? And so there it went. Down, 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 down. So there's the head fake, and then there's a very convincing candle to the downside, and down, down, down after that. So this would be a false breakout. And when I see that, I can take a position, could possibly take a short position, although you want to be very careful with short positions, because if you're wrong about your short position, you could incur a very heavy loss. So please be careful with short positions. So that's an example of a false breakout. There are also false breakdowns. So for example, this is Pfizer stock, the 1-minute candlestick chart, thanks to tradingview.com for providing these charts. Want to give credit. So we see the price action went down to a certain level, then bounced off of it, and so it's forming a support level here. And then it goes down to that same level again. And if you see the shadow or wick of this candlestick, it looks like it's breaking down below that support level. And some people might say, well, that's going to go down more because it's a breakdown below the support level. But again, you have to be patient. You want to be patient. See if it's a head fake or not. And here it is. Another head fake. Went down below that support level and then came right back up. And it went up past this resistance level, up and away. Another textbook example. But in this case, it's not a false breakout, it's a false breakdown. And I might take a long position here after the candlestick price action shows that it is in fact a false breakdown. And when it went above that resistance level, that confirmed it even more. Here's another example. This is Visa stock, the 1-minute candlestick chart. And it came down to this level, then bounced off of it, forming the beginnings of a support level, came down to it again. We can see if we look closely on this candlestick, went down below it. Don't be fooled. Some people would say, oh, it broke down below that support level. Clearly it's going to go down. Clearly it's a breakdown. Nope, head fake. False breakdown. We could see it coming right back up. You want more confirmation? You could wait until it goes above this level, which it did. And up and away. A nice profit for people who took a long position. And a lot of heartache for people who assumed that this would be a breakdown. Just because it went below the support level doesn't mean it's a breakdown. Nope, I look for those head fakes. I hope you do too. So don't let the market head fake you. Be patient. Wait for confirmation that it really is a breakdown or breakout. Check for the head fakes and see where it's really going. I hope this was helpful to you. My name's David Modell. If you have questions, if you need more help with trading, investing, charting, whatever it might be, stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, commodities, You can email me anytime. My email address is davidmodell@gmail.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Leave comments. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that bell on YouTube so you can receive the latest updates on my financial educational videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and I'll talk to you again soon.